Hey everyone, welcome back to Curiosity Satisfactions. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic from Ayurveda, the ancient Indian science of health food combinations that seem totally normal, but could be harming your digestion and overall wellness. You might be eating these every day without realizing it. Stick around as we uncover 5 surprising food combos to avoid and why they're problematic. If you love learning about natural health, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First, a quick primer. Ayurveda teaches that your digestion, or Agni, is the key to good health. It's like a fire that transforms food into energy. But when you combine certain foods with different tastes, energies, or digestion times, it can overload this fire, leading to bloating, gas, or even toxins called ama. These incompatible combos are known as Viruddha Ahara. Let's explore 5 common ones you might be eating. Number 1. Milk and fruit, like that classic banana smoothie. It sounds healthy, right? But Ayurveda says no. Milk is cooling and heavy to digest, while fruits like bananas or citrus are sour and digest quickly. Mixing them can curdle the milk in your stomach, weaken your digestive fire, and cause bloating or sinus issues. A 2024 article from Only My Health confirms this can disrupt digestion and create toxins. Instead, eat fruit alone as a snack and enjoy milk separately, maybe as warm golden milk with turmeric. Next up, fish and dairy, like fish with a creamy sauce or cheese. This is a big no in Ayurveda. Fish has a heating energy, while dairy is cooling. Combining them can confuse your digestion and lead to ama buildup, which might cause skin issues or inflammation. A post on X from @Alinath Health in April 2025 noted that this combo's clashing proteins can trigger digestive distress. Try pairing fish with veggies and spices like ginger for better digestion. Number 3. Heating honey. Ever drizzle honey into hot tea or bake with it? Ayurveda warns that heating honey above 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit turns it toxic, potentially creating harmful substances. A 2020 article from the Ayurveda practice explains this sanskara viruddha can disrupt your gut. Instead, add honey to lukewarm drinks or use it as a spread. Your body will thank you. Number 4. Melons with other foods. Melons digest super fast, so eating them with slower digesting foods like grains or dairy can cause fermentation in your stomach, leading to bloating. A 2023 Times of India article highlights that melons should be eaten alone. So enjoy that watermelon or cantaloupe as a solo snack, ideally 30 minutes before or 2 hours after other foods. Finally, number 5. Curd with hot or spicy foods. Curd is cooling and heavy, but pairing it with hot foods or spices can really mess with your digestion, causing acidity or even toxin formation. A 2022 post on X by @AskPerplexity noted that curd's cooling nature clashes with heating foods. Instead, pair curd with cooling ingredients like cucumber or mint, and avoid eating it at night when digestion is weaker. That's it, folks. These 5 food combos might seem normal, but avoiding them can really boost your digestion and energy. Have you tried any of these combos? Let me know in the comments and share your favorite healthy recipes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more wellness tips and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Until then, eat mindfully and stay vibrant. See you soon.